Okay, good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, class. Please listen. Alright. So, at this juncture, let us proceed to the grading system of public elementary school and secondary schools. So, this afternoon, we'll gonna learn and know how public elementary school and secondary schools are grading their students. So the K-12 basic education program uses a standard and competency-based grading system. These are found in the curriculum guides. All grades will be based on the weighted raw score of the learner's summative assessments. The minimum grade needed to pass specific learning area is 60, which is translated to 75 in the report card. So, ang 75 is mauna na siya, pinaka-lowest sa pinaka-average sa grado sa estudyante. The lowest mark that can appear on the report card is 60 for quarterly grades and final grades. So learners from grades 1 to 12 are graded in written work, performance tasks, and quarterly assessment every quarter. These three are given specific percentage weights that vary according to the nature of the learning area. Mag-grades ang mga teachers sa grades 1 to 12 through written work, performance tasks, and quarterly assessment. Muna mausahay mo ng mga maestra nga kung sa may grado na mo if wala kay written work or performance task. So in a grading period, there is one quarterly assessment, but there should be instances for students to produce written work and to demonstrate what they know and can do through performance tasks. And if they have difficulties, they are not prohibited from getting help from the Easy Help platform that write easy for money. There is no required number of written work and performance tasks, but these must be spread out over the quarter and used to assess learner skills after each unit has been taught. So, this time, let us know how to compute for final grades and general average in that end to K-12 grading system. So, step 1, grades from all students' work are added up. This results in the total score for each component, namely written work, performance task, and quarterly assessment. Raw scores from each component have to be converted to a percentage score. So, for example, nagpa-written work kasi ng mga estudyante, pumunsa ang ilang score dito, maura ko yung mga i-record. And even sa performance task nila. Kaya if dili ka magpa-performance task sa inyong estudyante, in short, wala ka i-grado sa ilaha. So, step 2, the sum for each component is converted to the percentage score. To compute the percentage score, or PS, divide the raw score by the highest possible score, then multiply the quotient by 100%. For example, nagpa-written work ka sa inyong mga estudyante, 50 ang highest possible score, and then ang ilahang score is 40. So, ang imong pag-compute na is percentage score equals raw score over highest possible score, then i-multiply mo of 100%. Ingali siya formula, percentage score equals learner's total raw score over highest possible score times 100%. So step 3, percentage scores are then converted to weighted scores to show the importance of each component in promoting learning in the different subjects. To do this, the percentage score is multiplied by the weight of the component found in Table 4 for grades 1 to 10 and Table 5 for senior high school. The product is known as the weighted score, or the WS. So here is the formula. Weighted score, or WS, equals percentage score times weight of component. So, actually, teachers, students, class, kinahanglan kita makamauani kay pangalingayon na din siya, but needed siya kukun if ever makasulod sa mga public institutions. So, siya sa kinahanglan na makatunan, sa Nanawin ko siya pagkuan by percentage. So the grading system for senior high school follows a different set of weights for each component. Table 5 presents the weights for the core and interactive subjects. So mo siya forma niya sa component sa senior high school kay lahang mga grado. So step 4, the sum of the weighted scores in each component is the initial grade. This initial grade will be transmitted using the given transportation table to get the quarterly grade or QG. Step 5, the quarterly grade for each learning area is written in the report card of the student. For a better understanding of how to record the summative assessment, Table 6 presents a sample class record showing 3 learners for the first quarter of grade 4 included. So, dara ang forma niya. I'm so sorry if this is not if you cannot see because it's very small. Nadiri ang mga scores sa ilahang mga scores sa learner A, B, C. Inganaw na siya mag-record. Butang nyo ang kanang unsa na siya nga kanang activity sa mga estudyante, written work na siya or performance task. So here is the breakdown for the steps of completing grades. Number 1, get the total score for each component, divide the total raw score, convert percentage scores to weighted scores, add the weighted scores, transmit the initial grade using the transmutation table. So here is the steps. As you can see, the scores of the students are being written. It has the percentage score equals the raw score over highest possible score times 100%. Same with the written work. So if you divide the new shot, if ever 160 ang passing score niya, highest possible score niya, then the raw score niya is 145. Times po 100%, that will be 90.63. Steps, here convert percentage scores. So, written work for English grade 4 is 30%. Weighted score WS equals 90.63 times 0.30. So, ang weighted score of the written work, the learner A is 27.92. So, same with step 4 and 5, as I have discussed. So, how are grades completed at the end of the school year? So, we have the grades 1 to 10, the average of the quarterly grades, or QG produces the final grade. So, the general average is computed by dividing the sum of all final grades by the total number of learning areas. So, that on ang final grades in general average, as you have observed when you were senior high school, namin mag-grade ang sa una kanang grado sa mga estudyante. Ang mga learning areas, Filipino, English, Mathematics, Science, Arabic, Panlipunan, and so on and so on. We have the quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the final grade. And then you will verify if your student